Well, good afternoon, members. Coming to you today, it's Sunday afternoon, getting later in the day. Just want to give you a video update today. Our crews and our own crews, our contractors, our cooperatives that are helping us out have had a really productive day. We started the day with about 2,400 folks out, and so we got quite a bit done overnight, and we continue to progress through the day today. And right now we just went under 1,400 folks out. So folks, we've made a lot of progress today. And so I'm hopeful that within the next 2 days we'll have everybody back on, but we're working on that. Some of the challenges that we're dealing with today are, we've found some soft areas. I told you yesterday that there were some spots that were starting to dry out a little bit. Well, we found some more wet today. And so we've had to use special machinery, special equipment to get in and change some of those broken poles and that wire out. And we've been working through that and doing a great job there. And we've got a bucket truck leaving right behind us right now with more poles to go set and replace that have been broken by the ice storm. And so folks, we're still working for you. We brought several new cooperatives on today. They started first thing this morning. CoServe brought several crews with them from Denton, Electric Cooperative in Denton, and then Tri-County Electric started work this morning as well from Oklahoma. And so those folks have been a great addition to all the crews that we already have working, so thank you to those guys. And again, we just make great progress. Now, a lot of these locations that we've been to today, I've been out in the field this afternoon and this morning and meet with our guys, and they're working hard for you. They're getting things redone. And folks, I know there's still some of you that are frustrated with our performance here, but I promise you, they're doing a great job. They're doing it quickly, but most importantly, they're doing it safely. And so that's our key and our number one priority right now is for these guys to stay safe in their work. Now, we're coming to these jobs and we're replacing poles and we're having to string some wire right now. I just heard of a job where we have 14 spans down and they're having to string new wire and had several poles where they had fallen down from the ice storm. So just that's one example of many that we have that we're going to today. So some of these jobs are taking 2 or 3 hours of several crews just working and doing that one job. So again, please be patient, and I know you are, and I appreciate that. And we look forward to continuing to do this restoration, do it right, do it safely. And just thank you for your patience. Thank you for everything that you've done in supporting our guys, the kudos that you're giving. We had more donations dropped off at our Stephenville office today. We're appreciative of that. And just things are going well. Just ask that you continue to say prayers for our linemen, keep them safe. And just thank you for having patience with us. Have a great day.